might think, well, the little ones don't matter. Believe me, the little ones are the worst. Plus, these that hang over the house, they have to come down. You know that, because they'll harm your roof. Take it from me. I'm a tree expert. Ah! Almost got the camera with that one. So how's everybody doing today? Are you cutting trees too? Ah! Here comes another limb. Great. More the better. Well, not the more the better, but the little ones. You don't want them to go over into my big tree in my east garden. I don't want them to cover all of my hedges because the hedges need a lot of sunshine, right? Oh my, that was very good. Sometimes it gets tangled. Just yank it away as best you can. Oh, there's another one. I have to step off camera.